Hi, this is Debbie in Organic Oasis, Zone 9B. Well, our pomelo tree has given us hundreds of these giant pomelos, and they're organically growing. And Tim and I just moved into this house 2 years ago. Last year, we had no pomelos. This year, we had hundreds. So I gathered them all up and I put them on what we call here in California Next Door Neighbor. It's an app where you can sell or give things away. And I offered them to neighbors in our city and surrounding neighborhoods because I didn't really know what to do with them. I've never had a pomelo, never grown a pomelo. And one of my neighbors said, try making a pomelo margarita, they're delicious. And so last night, Tim and I made pomelo margaritas, and I'm gonna show you how to make one. It's absolutely a delicious alcoholic beverage. You could make a mock pomelo margarita also and not put the tequila in it. But the couple hundred pomelos we had were literally snatched up by our neighbors in less than 24 hours. And I had people texting me, asking me if there were any more. So it made me curious about this fruit. We're happy that we have it growing outside on our tree in our organic yard. But like I said, I've never really cooked with it. So a lot of the neighbors started giving me recipes, and a few of them are for Thai food, different kinds of curries and things that you can use. So I'm gonna be experimenting with this fruit. But tonight we're making pomelo margaritas. Follow along. Thanks for watching. First, we're just gonna slice the pomelo in half. It's a very interesting fruit. It's like a grapefruit, much more sour. I guess there's sour and sweet ones. Ours are sour. And then it has a huge rind. But I'm gonna actually put this in my juicing machine and I'm gonna juice it. We need 6 ounces of pomelo juice. Let's see what I got here. Usually I think you get about 6 ounces from one pomelo. So let me pour this juice out. We got our 6 ounces of pomelo juice, and I'm gonna strain it into the cocktail shaker because some seeds got in here. So I don't know if you have a pomelo tree, but I know here in Northern California, we have one in our yard. Like I said, we moved into this house 2 years ago. I thought it was a grapefruit tree, and then we figured out it's a pomelo tree. So it's new to me, but some of our neighbors also have these trees. And so just trying to figure out things we could use all this fruit for. But this year, luckily, we were able to share the wealth of pomelos with our neighbors. So we have our 6 ounces of pomelo juice in here. And now we're gonna put in 2 ounces of lime juice. I just use Santa Cruz. I don't have a lime tree. And I'm gonna use my measuring cup to do this. So we have 2 ounces of lime juice. Oops. 2 ounces of orange liqueur. This is all that we have, so I'm gonna use this. Just gonna take this from 2 ounces up to 4 ounces. This will make 2 cocktails. 3 ounces of tequila. I am not a tequila drinker. We bought this, it was on one of these top 100 lists. I don't even know if this is good. I don't drink tequila, but I wanted to make this pomelo margarita. I use my canning gadget to open my jars and things that I can't open. Works pretty good. So this calls for 2 shots or 3 ounces. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I have 4 ounces in here and I'm gonna go up to 7. That's 1.5 ounces in each cocktail. That's a shot, 1.5 ounces. Okay. So now I have all of my ingredients here. The lime juice, the Cointreau or orange liqueur, and tequila. And in here I have my pomelo juice. I'm gonna add ice to my shaker. I'm gonna add the beverage. It's gonna be pretty filled up, so I didn't put too much ice in. Gonna put this lid on here, let the air out through the top, and put the cap on and shake about 30 times. Set it aside. Now I'm gonna salt my glasses. Gonna take a sliced lemon, just a piece of lemon, and go around the edge of the glass. Take a little bit of salt. And just take the glass and just kind of go around to get just a little bit of salt on the rim. And now, I'm going to go ahead and pour my Pomelo Margarita into the glasses. And here we go. So here is the Pomelo Margarita. Salty, tart, wonderful. Happy holidays.